This is Teacher Mimi, and I am a phonetics expert. I'm so excited to be with you today, as this is the very first instructional video from a series of lessons that I will be personally giving to you. My main goal is to help you in your speaking, language, and pronunciation skills from the comforts of your own computers. By the end of this program, I am confident that you will come out a more self-assured you in terms of saying correctly the commonly mispronounced words that we will be systematically discussing together in the next few months. There are 5 all in all, but for today, we are going to focus on 3. Number 1, voice phonetics. Number 2, air phonetics. And number 3, vibration phonetics. Position your upper teeth on your lower lip. This is primarily your position for letter V. Letter B is with the lip, while letter V makes use of your upper teeth. Beer, veer, boat, vote. That was perfect. Surprise! Tongue twisters! Say these silly sentences with me as fast as you can. Memorize them in your sleep, and I'll bet you'll never make a mistake with the single sounds of B and V ever again. A big snobby bird fits into a brown banana bread. Go! A big snobby bird fits into a brown banana bread. Awesome! That was so super exciting and fun. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. But don't go yet. We are not done. We still have more to come.